If you've been betrayed and you're anxious to start dating again, please listen carefully. I've said this so many times. We have so many people coming into the PBT Institute with this exact scenario. One of two things will happen. If you are, I always talk about the 5 stages from betrayal to breakthrough. If you are in stage 3, which is typically when people say, I guess I can start dating now, and I'm so lonely and I miss that love and that connection, and I'm just so sad, and you just try to fill that need. Well, one of two things is going to happen. Number one, you're going to attract a stage 3 person. And then it's more of the same. You didn't go through your experience to have the same experience again. That's where repeat betrayals happen. That's where the lessons have not been fully learned and integrated. Not suggesting for a second the betrayal was your fault, but until and unless you truly get it and you move through the 5 stages, it's more of the same. The other thing is, let's say you attract someone more of a stage 4, stage 5 type, but you're still stuck in stage 3, you'll be hyper vigilant. You'll always be worried. Are they going to do the same thing? Am I setting myself up for it again? And what I've seen so often is you sabotage that new relationship. So here's what I recommend. Move through the 5 stages from betrayal to breakthrough. Do everything you can. Take all of your energy, your effort, your resources, your whatever you need to move through the stages. Instead of taking that energy on finding a partner in stage 3, if you take that same energy, use it to move you through the remaining stages, I promise you, the person worthy and deserving of your stage 5 you is so much better and so much more worth it than whoever you would find and either sabotage or outgrow once you heal. So remember, dating is you will attract a completely different type of person when you are in stage 4, when you are in stage 5. So I suggest waiting, move through the 5 stages from betrayal to breakthrough to start dating again, and then date a stage 5 version of someone worthy and deserving of the you that you're becoming. I'm saying this because just yesterday, someone came into the PBT Institute and she said, Dr. Debbie said it. I was dating and I was hypervigilant and sabotaging and I should have waited. Yes. So I'm telling all of you, if you're in stage 3, you just keep going forward, because I promise you, when you're in stage 5, you will see things so much more clearly. You'll be so much healthier, healed, stronger, more confident, more empowered, and that version of you will attract a very different type of person. So hope that helps.